Charts, powered by our Insights platform, fall into two categories, current and historical. Current charts show the current state of items and are available to all project users right now, while historical or time-based charts allow you to see trends over time and are only available to team and enterprise cloud organizations. Seeing your charts is as easy as clicking the top right button labeled Insights from your project. Here, you'll be greeted with the list of charts you've already saved for quick access and can configure existing charts or create new ones from here. For example, here we have a current chart, which gives us the number of items currently in each of these status categories. As we can see, done overpowers this graph right now. So we can also use the filter bar to get rid of all done items, just like that. Additionally, I can configure this to indicate any other custom fields here, labels, assignees, iteration, and so forth. And I can save those at any time to a new chart if I'd like. Now, this is a current chart, so it represents the point in time, the present time right now. But if I want to be able to see historical trends like I do in this one, all I need to do is configure the x-axis to be time, and that will be a historical chart. Now I can see how status across items have changed over the past 2 weeks or even 3 months if I'd like. As we can see, no status and done take up a lot. We can either toggle them off from our view for ourselves right now by just clicking on the legend. But also if you want to actually save that to the chart, you can go ahead and use the filter bar like so. We'll remove done. And we want to save this for all future viewings. So as saving that, iteration will now give me this chart each time. Be sure to check out charts for your projects today.